మ్యూజిక్ అనగానే మనకు గుర్తొచ్చేది ఈ తరం జనరేషన్ సింగర్స్, ఈ తరం మ్యూజిక్ డైరెక్టర్స్. జిల్ మూవీ మ్యూజిక్ డైరెక్టర్ మిస్టర్ జిబ్రాన్ ఇస్ హియర్. అండ్ ఇక్కడున్న ఈ నలుగురు అద్భుతమైన సింగర్స్ అండి. ద వెరీ 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 ఫేమస్ అండ్ వెల్ నోటెడ్ అనమాట. అండ్ మీకు ఇంట్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తాను. దిస్ ఇస్ బియాంకా గోమ్స్.
హాయ్.
అండ్ దట్స్ క్లింటన్ సెరెజో. అండ్ దట్స్ శరణ్య గోపినాథ్ అండ్ యాజిన్. యా, సో మరి వీళ్ళ పాటలే మీ చెవులో ఇప్పుడు మోగుతూ ఉంటాయి, ఐఎమ్ ష్యూర్. అండ్ మరి ఇప్పుడు తెలుగులో మీరు ఇప్పుడు అంటే ఫస్ట్ రన్ రాజా రన్ చేశారు సార్. సో మరి రన్ రాజా రన్లో అంటే యూనో డెఫినెట్గా లాంగ్వేజ్ తెలియకపోతే మీకు హౌ డిడ్ ద డైరెక్టర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ ఆల్ దోస్ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ అండ్ ఆల్? హౌ డిడ్ యూ గైస్ కమ్యూనికేట్ అండ్ హౌ డిడ్ యూ గైస్ గో త్రూ?
Language, I already told because my wife is from Vijayawada, so yeah. I can easily understand.
You
Telugu.
understand.
But one advantage was Sujit's the director of Run Raja. He knows multiple languages.
Okay.
And more than that, he's very expressive.
All right.
So communication wasn't a problem for us. And at last, it's all music is emotion. So yeah, we just spoke.
యాక్చువల్గా కమల్ హాసన్ గారి మూవీ ఒకటి చేస్తున్నారు అనగానే ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఐ మీన్ నథింగ్ కుడ్ బి మోర్ బెటర్ అనమాట. ఇట్స్ డ్రీమ్ కమ్ ట్రూ కదా సో అందరికి. సో మరి మీకు ఎలా వచ్చింది ఆ ఆఫర్? ఎలా వచ్చింది?
He called me for actually we started working for Vishwarupam 2.
ఓకే, యా.
So while composing Vishwarupam 2, he suddenly said we'll work on the next film also, that is Uttama Villan.
ఓకే.
And while working on Uttama Villan, he said we'll work on third film, that is Papanasam.
అసలు
That is Drishyam.
I know, yeah.
Drishyam, Telugu Drishyam's Tamil version.
యాజిన్ అండ్ బియాంకా, మీరు అంటే మీది ఫస్ట్ ఈ ఆడియోలో ఫస్ట్ సాంగ్ ఉంది. సో లైక్ హౌ డిడ్ యూ గైజ్ యునో ఫీల్ వైల్ వర్కింగ్ విత్ హిమ్ అండ్ హౌ డిడ్ యూ గైజ్ యునో కమ్ అక్రాస్ ద కమ్యూనికేషన్, ద లాంగ్వేజ్ అండ్ ఆల్, ద డిక్షన్ అండ్ ఆల్? హూ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ దట్ టు యూ?
Yeah, for me, I was rather nervous. This is my first song in Telugu, so
Okay.
but there's always a language supervisor and all of that stuff. And as far as the feel is concerned and the mood of the song, Gibran was he was very clear about what he wanted. He communicated it to me really well. So there was no problem there. I just had to get over my mind block that this is a language I don't know.
Okay, yeah.
So yeah, but he just wanted me to add my feel to the
Yeah,
song.
I mean, ultimately it's music, so
Yes.
it has no bounds. That's nice.
No, I'm quite a fan of her from Coke Studio.
Thank you.
I mean, Clinton, he's an amazing composer.
Yes, I wanted to put that to the next topic అనమాట.
No, because no, that's my Mujhe Naina
I know,
is
yeah.
one of the biggest hit in Coke Studio.
Yeah.
Hamarita, hey, mamacita, nee, figure, sugary, zahare.
Boy, come and get me. You wanna kiss me? Need that a bit to me, pretty chick.
मुझे दिन में तारे दिखने लगे.
चलो जिंदगी में आजा जरा धीरे धीरे.
And Yazin, you tell me, how is he as like is he very patient or is he very impatient, and or does he irritate you? Did he irritate you in any point of time?
Oh, I feel I'm very, very comfortable singing for him.
Okay.
And it's always a learning experience when you sing for him. He always has some stuff in his compositions. And I've sung 3-4 songs for him before in Tamil for a few movies.
Okay.
In Uttama Villan.
Uttama Villan. Oh,
Yeah.
okay,
So
yeah.
I've been lucky to get to sing for him in those movies. But this was completely different. I mean, I got to sing one Sufi track in Thirumananu Nikah and another one which is more into R&B. But this is more like a metal death metal song, the first song. So it was new for me recording this this song, and thanks to Gibran Garu for
Yeah, but you've done an amazing job.
giving us a song. Yeah,
And it's an amazing vocal performance. Really.
thanks. sir.
Yeah.
Really thanks.
మిసైల్ లాంటి వాడు మిసైడ్ అయితే ఎలాంటి మేజర్లే నీ చుట్టూ ఉన్నా మిరాకిల్ లాంటి వాడు తోసేమి గాడే రిస్కుల్లో నువ్వుంటే నీ రెస్క్యూ వీడే
అండ్ జస్ట్ కమింగ్ టు ద స్వీట్ లిటిల్ గర్ల్ హియర్, మీరు ఈ మూవీలో పాడిన పాటతోటి స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను మీతో మాట్లాడడం. యాక్చువల్లీ యూ
she
సంగ్
sung
టూ
two
రైట్?
songs,
యా, ఏమైంది ఈ వేళ అండ్ పూరి మసాలా పూరి. విచ్ వన్ డూ యూ లైక్ ద బెస్ట్? Both.
I honestly like both.
Okay. So a couple of lines for us.
ఏమైంది వేళ నిప్పన ఇంకోలా చూస్తున్నా నీ కొత్తగా. I didn't sing that right.
ఏమైంది వేళ నే పుట్టానా ఇంకోలా చూస్తున్నా నీ కొత్తగా నేడులా నీతో పాటుండేలా ఈ లైఫ్ అంతా ఇలాగా వచ్చింది రేపే నీడులా ముందుగా
ఇప్పుడే తీరే ఎక్కలనే కన్నా చల్ చలే చెలి చలో చలే నిజమైపోయే ఊహలలో ఉన్నా చల్ చలే చెలి చలో చలే.
Mr. Clinton here. Me songs, I mean, we've heard a lot of your songs in Telugu. You did quite good numbers in Telugu. Do you remember any of the, I mean, I won't ask you for the lyrics, but then at least the tune, any of the songs that you sang in
famous
Telugu?
song when I was
You know, come on, we are talking about Jill here, so maybe he can just hum a few lines from
Yeah,
it.
sure. So I'll sing that part. Just comes right after yours.
I hope you remember her lines also.
ఇప్పుడైపోయే కలలే కన్నా చల్ చలే చలి చలో చలే నిజమైపోయే ఊహలలో ఉన్నా చల్ చలే చలి చలో చలే.
Wow, that's really nice.
ఇప్పుడే తీరే ఎక్కలనే కన్నా చల్ చలే చెలి చలో చలే.
Run Rajaran and Jill, ఈ రెండిట్లో like which was the most comfortable team to work with for you so far?
both the producers are same. So one way, okay, 50%.
Okay, which director is the best then?
No, it's not about the director, and it's like I don't know. I had the kind of comfort in both of them.
No
But-
diplomacy
okay,
allowed
okay,
here,
no
you know?
diplomacy. No, because I was quite tensed while doing Jill.
Okay.
Because when composing Run, that's my first film. So I did whatever came to my mind. I didn't think of anything else.
Okay.
But the response for Run Raja Run tensed me, like while composing Jill. So in that way, I prefer Run Raja.
So maybe is that because it's like after the audio release the expectations have grown?
Yes.
Oh, that's
yes.
okay.
Because people started recognizing me and talk to me, and when they say we are legally looking forward Jill, that immediately like give me some that scares me.
scariest thing in the world.
Yeah. So saying Jill, I worked it slightly scared, but I mean I didn't want that to reflect in the work, and I hope it didn't reflect.
First of all, I want to say that it's been amazing working with him, and in general, actually working, singing for someone else is quite liberating that way. Just purely because you're not in charge.
The pressure is not
yeah,
there.
it's really nice when you're actually just. It's been great working with him because I really think he's very easygoing as a musician. and he's extremely gifted and also easygoing. So that combination really works well for musicians. You know, and when we connect on a musical level, I think there's not much words are necessary because we know what each other's about. You know, there's a very great there's a really nice mutual respect that we have for each other, each other's musicality, each other's musical gifts, which I think is really important in any collaboration. And I think that's one thing that we're blessed to have, and it's beautiful. I'm very happy to have worked a second time because usually people don't call me back the second time. No, I'm just kidding about that. But at the end of the day, it's really nice to be able to work with you know, somebody who's really burning on the scene right now, and he's like, you know, he's really doing the most cutting edge work in the Telugu industry, and that's a privilege for any of us, I'm sure.
జిల్ జిల్ మనసే రంగుల్లో మెరిసే
ఇదే మాయో మరి మొదలైందిలా తొలిసారిగా
ఉఫ్ ఇలాగే ఇది కొనసాగిన సరిపోదుగా.
Right now, just think as a composer. I want you to think as a composer and tell me which line could have been a little better.
Oh, wow. Okay, change the song.
No, of course not. I really like the song. I don't know. I mean, I'll have
That's
to like go
diplomacy
through the
talking again.
fine tooth comb and you know, but it's not. I mean, it's the song is definitely got a very strong genre-based flavor. So it's definitely in that really, and that's Gibran really excels in that. Even the song that I sang in Ran Raja Ran was a dance EDM kind of track, and he really does that well. He does that genre better than anyone else, you know. So he's completely on his home ground when he's composing stuff like that.
నేను ఇప్పటిదాకా చంపేస్తాను, నరికేస్తాను అనడం తప్ప వదిలేస్తానని ఎప్పుడు అనలేదు.
ఈ సిటీలో ఎవడికి కాలినా నాకు కాల్ చేస్తారు. అదే నాకు కాలిందనుకో.
నిజంగా నువ్వు ఫైర్ ఆఫీసర్వేనా? ఐడి కార్డ్ చూపించు.
జిబ్రన్ గారు, సో యూజువల్గా మామూలుగా పేరెంట్స్ ప్రెషర్ ఉంటుంది కదా చైల్డ్హుడ్లో, స్టడీ 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 అని చెప్పి ప్రెషర్ ఉంటుంది. దెన్ యూనో మ్యూజిక్ అంటే యూనో యూ కెన్ ఆల్వేస్ గో టు దట్ లేటర్, యూనో ఫస్ట్ డూ యువర్ స్టడీస్ అని అంటారు కదా. సో హౌ డిడ్ దట్ హ్యాపెన్? లైక్ యూనో వెన్ డిడ్ యూ actually realize, you know, that your interest towards music?
No, that is maybe, I mean, from childhood, because
Okay,
once, I mean, maybe, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 age.
Yeah.
So I started going for singing class, and once I saw Yanni's performance, then I shifted to piano
Okay.
and started doing grades and everything. And it's a long story, but I'll cut it short. Then we shifted to Chennai. Then I started doing jingles, ad films and everything. And
నేను హెల్ప్ చేసినందుకు చిన్న ట్రీట్. కాఫీకి వస్తావా? ఎవడే వీడు? నేను చెప్పిన ఫైర్ ఆఫీసర్.
and one point I realized that I'm stuck in, I mean, inside the jingle platform. That's because I want to learn something and everything, but I became more of a businessman than a musician. Then I wanted to, but later age, like around 26, I earned whatever I earned. So I took that money, I did my 12th standard at my age of 26. So to join a college.
Okay, all right.
Sale
Yeah.
College of the Arts. Then I went studied classical music composition, 3 years and degree, and so that's how my musical journey happened.
And Trinity College of Music.
that was from childhood. I completed my 8th grades
Okay.
in piano and theory, and then I started doing jingles.
Oh, okay, that's nice.
మిసాయిల్ లాంటి వాడు నీ డిసైడ్ అయితే ఎలాంటి మేజర్లే నీ చుట్టూ ఉన్నా మిరాకిల్ లాంటి వాడు దోసేమి గాడే స్కూల్లో నువ్వుంటే నీ రెస్క్యూ వీడే
How did your music journey start?
I've always liked to sing, just sing at home, that's all. And I think I sang at a very close friend's funeral. I know it sounds very morbid, but yeah, and that's, somebody asked me to join a choir called the Madras Musical Association. This is about 4 years back, and that's when I actually started singing in a proper choir, which had sheet music, and that was my first exposure to what music outside of school itself was. And yeah, then eventually I met a lot of other people who said, let's start a band. And yeah, that's when we formed a band called Chromosole and Beef Biryani. And then, yeah.
Biryani.
Take off my pony, romantic journey. Galaxy అంచులోకి hijack చేసేయందాన్ని.
Login like pony, tune in like pony. Malito Bilhona, log like pony Prayani.
నేనేమో butterfly, రంగుల్లో తయారై నీకోసం వచ్చేస్తున్నా రయ్యరయ్యరయ్యరయ్యరై.
Pony, masala pony, mahu tera Ferrari. Chali ganito just as a body. Pony, masala pony, mahu tera Ferrari. Chali ganito just as a body.
Okay, now one more question for you.
Oh,
Did you guys hear him sing? Did you listen to any of his,
I'll no.
No, just a line, just one line.
Chill, 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 manase. I mean, lyrics, okay.
Yeah, not a problem. Yeah.
Oh, no.
He's too good.
You only don't have all lyrics.
Okay, after the interview, I'll
Yeah. Okay, one more question for Clinton again.
okay.
If you were to, make him sing, what kind of a song would you make him sing?
I have to hear him sing first. And he's like,
Thank God.
He just did,
he doesn't let me
out of the little
hear him.
what we just
I keep
heard.
asking him.
No, out of the little what we just heard. So what do you
Probably
think?
a ballad. Probably a nice ballad.
And I
All
had to
right.
Practice for 1 year.
జిల్ 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 మనసే రివ్వంటూ ఎగసే.
Jil 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 manase, rangullo merise.
ఇదే మాయో మది మొదలైందిలా తొలిసారిగా.
Uff, ilage idi konasagina saripoduga.
జిల్ గోపిచంద్ గారితో మీరు కలిసే ఉంటారు కదా ఈ ప్రాసెస్లో. సో ఎలా అనిపించింది? హౌ డిడ్ యూ ఫీల్ ఆయనతో కలిసినప్పుడు?
Because I've seen Gopichand Garu's film, all are like action films.
Yeah,
And so I was a bit tensed in the sense because he's an angry man in the film. But when I met him, he was really a darling. He was really sweet. I mean, everybody, the team itself, the producers, Vamsi Garu and Pramod Garu and everybody. So I'm really thankful to God for making this platform for me.
నన్ను కొట్టాలంటే నా అంత ఎత్తు బరువు ఉంటే సరిపోదు, అవతల కూడా నేనే అయి ఉండాలి.
Yeah, and one of the last few questions that I'm going to ask you. కొత్త సింగర్స్లో, ఇప్పుడు వచ్చే కొత్త సింగర్స్లో మీరు ఎలాంటి టిప్స్ ఇస్తారు ఆ సింగర్స్కి? అండ్ కంపోజర్ సైడ్ నుంచి కంపోజర్ అనేవాళ్ళు ఏం కోరుకుంటారు ఒక సింగర్ దగ్గర నుంచి?
Now one good thing in the now maybe because of the media and everything, so there are a lot of new singers coming, but one thing which I might look forward is a kind of unique quality, and I don't know whether singing style or maybe tonal or like very small things, but which can really differentiate from others. But like all the singers, they are unique. I mean, he can't imitate Clinton, and no,
they've got
everybody
their
have
own,
because
specialty.
that's what make them so special, because it's so competitive. And one main thing which all singers, and even all the singers, I mean a lot of singers, it's the practice, and it's because they have really invested hours and hours of training into it, and that really reflects before the mic, like.
I know,
So that's why, I mean, it's really worth for us, I mean, to go to Mumbai and record them. It's a really a big process, but they really make it worth when, because so maybe it's as simple as training, and
Next time we'll come to Chennai.
and training and thoughts.
That's nice.
జిల్ 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 మనసే రివ్వంటూ ఎగసే
జిల్ 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 మనసే రంగుల్లో మెరిసే
ఇదే మాయో మరి మొదలైందిలా తొలిసారిగా
ఉఫ్ ఇలాగే ఇది కొనసాగిన సరిపోదుగా.
And thank you so much for the suggestion, and all of you, thank you so much for spending your valuable time here and then answering all the questions that I've just asked you just out of the blue.
That was awesome.
Thank you. It was fun.
It was really nice to have a very informal interview in a nice setting like this. It was really nice.
All of you made it so comfortable actually. All the best for your future
Thank you
projects,
so much.
and hoping to listen to a lot more of Gibran music. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.